In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT to n8n. So let's dive right in. To begin, navigate to your n8n interface. On the top left corner, you'll notice a plus icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to adding new features, tools, and integrations to your n8n workspace. It allows you to expand the platform's capabilities and tailor it to your specific needs, making it a versatile and robust tool for automation. Once you've clicked on the plus icon, you should see an option that says New Credential. This is the next step in our journey. By creating a new credential, you're essentially setting up a new set of permissions that will allow n8n to interact with various platforms, like OpenAI in this case. Click on this option to proceed. In the next screen, you'll be prompted to type in a name. Here, type OpenAI. This step is crucial as it links the credential you're about to create directly to OpenAI's API, ensuring that n8n can communicate with ChatGPT without any hitches. After typing, you might be wondering what to do next. Simply look for OpenAI in the list and click on it. After selecting OpenAI, you should see a button labeled Continue. Click this to move forward. The process is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, guiding you step by step to set up a secure connection between n8n and OpenAI. Clicking Continue will lead you to a new stage where we need to collect some more information. You'll now need to visit the OpenAI website. Open a separate tab in your browser and head over to OpenAI's official site. Once there, find and click on the Login button. If you're not logged in already, just enter your credentials and sign in to your OpenAI account. Once inside, look for the API platform option. Click on it to advance further. Within the API platform, there's a section dedicated to API keys. Click on API keys. This area holds the key, quite literally, to integrating external platforms with OpenAI's suite of powerful tools. Here, you will create a new secret key, which acts as a unique identifier between your n8n platform and ChatGPT. Find the button that says Create a New Secret Key and click on it. A pop-up or new window will appear, presenting you with your new secret API key. Be sure to copy it immediately, as it's your gateway to accessing OpenAI's capabilities from n8n. Once you've copied the key, switch back to your n8n tab and paste it into the appropriate field. This step cements the connection between the two platforms, allowing seamless data transfer and communication. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts provided by n8n. These will guide you through any additional configurations or confirmations required to complete the integration. Always make sure you're following these prompts closely, as they are designed to ensure everything is set up correctly and securely. And with that,